Hello there beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable the inventory tracking on Shopify so you can fix that annoying inventory issue. And I will show you two methods. The first one, which is if you have a fewer products manually, you can do so. And the second one, which is more efficient way, how to do it across all the products at once. So you don't have to keep clicking all day. And no worries, I got you. And without any more talking, let's get some to it. So the first thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard, obviously. After that, click on menu here, products, click on it, and access a product. So let me show you the manual one in case you have fewer products, you want to adjust them manually. So simply scroll down to variants because you only can do this on variants. Click on it and click on the variant name, and no worries, it will show you all the variants here in this list as you can see. And here is the big guy, inventory tracked. Make sure it's enabled. And of course, if you want to disable it, you can just click like this and it's disabled. And if you want to check the other locations, click on this icon right here and select the other location and click on save. Now it shows the other location as well, and the inventory is tracked for this one. So make sure you do now like this. Now it's disabled for both locations and it's enabled now for both locations. Now how to do it across all the products without having to do it manually for each one? That's exactly what to show you. It's very easy. Next thing we're going to do is click on inventory here below products. It will open up this page and click on this icon right here to select all the products, but not all of them, only 50. Click on this option that says select all in this store. Once you click on it, it will select all the products. Now on the right of the page, you will see bulk edit. Click on it, then it will open up this CSV style with all your products in here. If you keep scrolling, all of them. Now the next thing we're going to do is beside the save button, there is columns option in here. Click on it, then scroll down a little bit and you will see track quantity in here. Click on it and it will show you a new column with track quantity, and it's enabled and disabled for some product as you can see. So how to do it across all the products without having to click on each one manually? That's very easy. Simply do it on one, just like I did now. Now click on the blue button, the blue square, sorry, and click and drag. Boom, enabled on all of them. If you want to disable that, do the same. Click again and drag up and it will be disabled. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.